will be surprised how little space you need when you're creating your jewelry. And this is half of the table I use in my studio. So this is how I start usually. And just beside the table I have my stuff. So everything is organized, everything in boxes, even by colors. Of course, it's a lot. I don't need to buy any other beads or material because I already planned a lot of projects, and as you can see, it's probably for at least 500, 600 of earrings and at least 100 necklaces, plus I have more other ideas. That's why this is my mini station, and I'm very happy about this station. So in the first drawer I have different types of cords, wires and leather cords, and everything I need for my necklaces and pendants. In this drawer I keep my beads for earrings and necklaces, so everything in boxes, so quite easy for me to choose. And I have more beads here. As you can see, again, I sorted by colors and by material, and it's very convenient for me to find any item I need right away, any beads, any cord. And here I keep some wood shape and felt, some clay, something that I need for crafts, and earrings as well, but this is like my supplies to start any project. This drawer is very cheap and it matches the colors of my furniture here in my studio. Also, I have 3 other boxes, and this box keeps some ribbons, different types of ribbons. And this one, some beads and material for my next project. And here I keep everything I need for display, or for example like little boxes for sale, and everything I use when I'm selling my earrings and necklaces. Also, I have here some mesh and actually different type of papers. This is handmade paper, marbled. I'm going to use in my work. Also Japanese washi paper. And here's some beads that I need to assemble. And this box is, I use any type of box that's convenient, so you don't need to buy anything like special. So here I keep everything related to nails, nail foils, nail glue, and some sparkling things. And this is like very convenient. And whenever I use nail foil transferring, then it's exactly what I use in the work. So here, when I make my earrings, I have some adhesives and some glue, and also some varnish and UV resin. And usually I hide it when I work on other projects. And here I have as well the book for my ideas, so I write it down whenever this part it's about paintings, acrylic paint and some other. And another half of the book, it's about my project regarding, let's say, necklaces and earrings. If I have any idea, I just make a little sketch, and then for later, let's say, and sometimes I need to find a material. As you can see, it's quite organized, and here's my logos and some other stamps I use when I finish the product and ready to display or sell, whatever. And that's all. That's what I have. So here I have a paper bag for some garbage. Usually you have all the time some leftovers or garbage that you can just throw it away. And here's some instruments. It's like, I don't have too many, but I think it's enough for me. And measure tape, and even lighter if I'm working with some wires. And I have a lamp, and I have a camera holder like this one. I mean, I take my videos with camera through my cell phone. And here's some other stuff. And then I prepared some beads for my 2 necklaces. And here, like some material I'm gonna use in my project. That's why I'm preparing, and it's right here. So when you organize, you save a lot of time for your creation, not for looking stuff you need. And another half of the table I usually use for finished products, like to keep it dry, to varnish, to take pictures. And it's very convenient to assemble because there's a lot of space here. And it's easy to remove all the stuff from the table and put aside when somebody's coming and I need more space. Then I create more space. But so this is my little studio where I create my jewelry. And as you can see, it's convenient for me, and I'm happy to have this space. And I can call it mobile space because I can remove it anytime I need. So if you like this video, please press like and write your comments and write your ideas and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.